Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer science class. So, as of now, we have completed 5 chapters. So, today, let us move on to the next chapter, that is Internet Online Surfing. And according to your reduced syllabus, it is the last chapter. And in this chapter, you'll be learning about popular internet services, advantages and disadvantages of internet, potential threats while using internet, net equates, email and its features, attaching a file, replying and forwarding email, adding a signature to a mail, managing contacts, and log out or sign out. So these are all the contents that you'll be learning in this chapter. So let us start by understanding about internet. So what is internet? Internet stands for Interconnected Network. The acronym of the word Internet is Interconnected Network. Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks. So, the group of networks that are interconnected together to share information is called as Internet. I would like to repeat the definition of Internet. Internet is nothing but the group of networks that are interconnected together to share information is called as Internet. Hope you understood the definition of Internet. So now let us have a look on some of the popular Internet services. So students, you're all very familiar. Nowadays, everything is going online, right? So let us have a look on some of the popular internet services. So the first one is email. So here, what does the E stands for? E stands for electronic. So email is nothing but electronic mail. So it is an economical mode of communication. It facilitates in sending the message and files such as pictures, song, video, etc. to the multiple people at the same time. Next service is online chatting. It is the communication that allows the user to send instant message back and forth to each other. You can also interact with other users through voice and video chats also. Chatting on internet can take place via instant messenger, chat website, chat rooms, etc. Next is video conferencing. A video conference can be described as a phone call with picture that allows multiple people sitting at geographically different locations to communicate by exchanging video and audio at the same time. It is the best option to have face-to-face interaction in real time. For this video conferencing, I would like to give an example. So for example, if the person is running a company at different places, instead of visiting all the places physically to conduct meetings and all, he can make use of video conferencing service which allows the user to have face-to-face communication or interaction in real time. Hope you understood what is video conferencing. So in video conferencing, more than two or three people can be connected each other. But video call is completely different from video conferencing. Don't get confused between a video call and video conferencing. Video call is one-to-one communication, but video conferencing is too many people can see the face each other and they can communicate or interact in real time. Hope you understood. Next internet service is e-learning. So here E stands for electronic. E-learning means electronic learning. So it refers to learning with the use of technology that enables people to learn anytime or anywhere. It is less expensive than traditional learning and can be used to impart training, to large group of students at the same time in an interactive and interesting manner. Thus, it saves time and reduces the need for costly classroom-based training. So the students can download study material from universities which may incorporate various types of medias like audio, text, virtual environments, video and animation and much more. Hope you understood about e-learning. Next service is internet free calls. So internet free call, it is just like a feather in the cap of internet. It allows you to make free voice calls and also video calls to anyone across the world. You can make free calls at much lower rates to any place in the world. Some softwares even allow you to send free messages and videos along with free internet calls. The only condition is that particular software or application should be installed in the device at both the ends. So for example, if you are using Skype application in your device, the another person should also use the Skype application in order to make the free calls. So this is the rule that you have to follow. So some of the examples of such softwares or application are Skype is one of the example. Then you have Viber. You can make use of Fling.com, Tango, Reptil, Google Hangouts, etc. So these are all some of the applications of the software that you can make use in order to make internet free calls. Hope it is clear. Next is e-groups. Here, E stands for electronic. So it is a virtual meeting place for individuals who share the same interest. It provides a platform for people to share information on topics of their interest, message and photo albums. An e-group typically contains a discussion or message board where members can discuss topics to their choice by posting a message. All the other members in the group can view or reply to this post. Hope you understood. Next is social networking. So students, you're all very familiar with social networking sites, right? So what are all the social networking sites that you know? It is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. So many social networking sites are there, right? So what is the social networking? It is the online platform that focuses on facilitating the building of social networks or social relation among the people who share interest, activities, backgrounds, or real-life connections. Social networking can be done for social purposes, business purposes, or both. Social networking sites are also called as social media. So some of the majorly used social networking sites are Facebook, then as I said, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. So these are all the famous and the popular social networking sites. Hope you understood. Next is Internet TV. Internet TV can be defined as a medium of delivering television content over an internet connection. It is available wherever a broadband connection exists. Internet TV is also known as web television. It is more like a replacement for cable TV with similar offering and same fee. Internet TV option include web-based show, video on demand, and regular television show hosted on the channel's website. One can watch Internet TV anytime on a computer screen, TV screen, or a mobile phone by searching and retrieving the programs of your choice. Some of the popular service providers of Internet TV are Netflix, Hotstar, Sony Live, etc. Hope you're all familiar with that. And so many of you are also using that, right? So you will get the subscription for 1 year or 1 month like that, and you'll make use of that. You can watch all the shows which you can view on your television. So the popularly used application for that is Netflix and Hotstar. Hope you understood about the internet TV. Next is internet radio. Internet radio, as the name itself suggests, it is the online radio service that is broadcasted over the internet on dedicated radio servers. It is broadcasted in much the same way as traditional radio with regard to its presentation and format. Internet radio has been in existence since the late 1990s. Unlike the traditional radio station, which has its broadcasting limitation, it is typically up to 100 miles, that's all, right? So, but here, that is, if you use internet radio, it has no limitation. It is capable of broadcasting graphics, text, and links with audio, thus serving all the sense of the listeners. Some of the popular internet radio services are Vivid Bharati, Radio Mirchi, Pandora, etc. So these are all the popular services of internet. Hope you understood about this. So now let us move on to the next topic, that is advantages and disadvantages of internet. So first, let us understand about the advantages of internet. So the first advantage is popular search engines like Google, Yahoo, etc. facilitates finding information on almost every subject. So if your teacher asks you to do any project work or something else, what is the first thing that you will do to collect the information? So first you'll go for Google and you'll put the name of a topic and you'll search for that, right? So that is what it is. So next is people can connect with each other in an easy and inexpensive way. So how it is possible? There are so many social networking sites, right? Like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and all. So if you want to connect with a family member who is staying far away from you, you can just contact by using these applications, right? So next is online services. A handful of online services enables people to carry out their task while sitting at home, such as e-banking, e-reservation, e-shopping, etc. So nowadays, you need not to go anywhere, right? So if you want to purchase something, you can just do it with the help of online services. Like if you just visit a website, that is Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, too many shopping websites are there. If you just go to that website, if you just put the product name, you'll get n number of products, right? So by that, you can save your time and energy also. Okay. Next is sharing information. So internet provides the facility to share information with many users simultaneously in an easy manner. So for example, if you're asked to share the PPTs or the Word files, whatever you have done, you can do it at a single click. So you can just mail to them or you can just share by using any other applications. So these are all some of the advantages of internet. So now let us have a look on disadvantages of internet. Sharing information is not so secure. So sharing of information over internet is not fully secure, especially when it involves sensitive information such as credit or debit card details, passwords, etc. Moreover, the information you find on internet is also not always correct and accurate. Next disadvantage is virus attacks. Computers connected through internet are prone to virus attacks. This slows down the system and can result in the loss of important data of a user. Next is hackers. Hackers attack computer system on a network for monetary gains. They steal and transfer money from various bank accounts to their own. Next one is cybercrimes. Cybercrimes such as child abuse, forgery, phishing, farming, etc. are growing day by day. So these are all some of the disadvantages of internet. So, students, this is for today. Read the textbook once, go through your lesson once, and if you get any sorts of doubts regarding any topic, please do contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.